Okay, so let's let's talk about my headache right here, and or my lack of knowledge in disconnecting O2 sensors. This is a 2007 Honda Pilot. Most of these sensors that you come across, you just push down this tab right here, and that thing snaps apart. But if you can't see the backside because it's attached to a bracket, then it's kind of hard to tell how to do it unless somebody explains it, and I could not find a video where anybody explains it, because I was about to take a hammer this thing trying to get these things disconnected. So this would be the same sensor. It's the sensor 1, bank 1, and bank 2. They're identical. The connections are the same. So what happens here is these two, well, let me turn this. So these two will connect together, right? Well, it goes the other direction. They connect together just like this, right? They will snap together, snap, and snap together. And if you see this little tab that's on the back side, this is the sensor end, right? This is the connector end, the sensor hooks to, right? There's a tab right here, okay? And I didn't know it was there until you get the new sensor and you see it, but you still don't necessarily think about it. But this connects to the bracket that this thing fits on. And this locks it in so that it doesn't come apart. I did not realize that because I have been crushing on this, thinking this thing was glued together, trying to pull it apart. I mean, I was getting pretty frustrated, and then once I rested on it next day in some good light, took a look at it, found out that when you press down on this back tab here, there's a little button that pushes right here on the back. That is to slide it off of this. So when you press that tab down, this fits up in here, right? This tab releases it from the bracket. Once the bracket is pulled off, then this other piece that we just talked about slides right out. This piece is held, this is all held in place together by this. So you cannot get these two apart, because I've seen videos where these are busted and broken and nobody's talking about it. But I don't know why not, but for these two to go together, you have to put it together and then slide it onto the bracket when you put it together. When you take it apart, you got to slide this metal bracket off. It's got to come off of this before these two will come apart, if that makes sense. It's just another locking mechanism to hold this together. So if you don't know this, I hope this helps somebody. Realize you are going to have to press this tab, get it off of this, slide it off of that. Well, not that one, but the other one right there. Slide it off of this one. Slide it off, then press this tab, and it'll come undone. Easy peasy. If you can get it off that bracket, because it's not that easy sometimes, but that's the key. I hope this helps somebody on, this is a 2007 Honda Pilot, which I think is 2000 to 2007. It may change on 2008. This could be same on some other Honda vehicles. Not sure, but that's what you need to do. Hope this helps somebody. Have a good one.